What if I tell you that bringing more traffic to your store is not the best way to grow? Website visitors are expensive to acquire and you're wasting money and sales if you don't focus on the most underrated metric in e-commerce, the ARPU. Hey guys, it's the Ecom Bull here, and today I'm going to show you the 6 techniques that I use in my stores to increase my revenue per user. But first, what is ARPU and how do I find this metric? ARPU is the total revenue divided by the total number of users. You can find your ARPU on Google Analytics just by typing here revenue per user in the past 3 weeks and click on the insights. And check this out, this is super cool. And boom, it's right here. So on this website, every visitor that comes to my website generates me $1.11. Super useful to know this number because if you're doing advertising and it's costing you 50 cents per click, then you know that you're actually making money. And you can actually get a more accurate revenue per user. For example, instead of revenue per user in the last 3 weeks, I'm gonna say in USA. All right? So let's check that out. And now it's showing me the average revenue per user only from people coming from United States. And there is no way to cheat this metric. For example, let's say that you want to increase conversions. So you just go to your website and lower all the prices by 80%. Yes, sure, you will have a lot more conversions. So you might think that you're making a lot of money, while in fact you're actually losing because the actual value of each order has decreased. Or let's say that you want to have a lot of traffic on your store. So you just make an ad and you choose a traffic objective, you get a lot of low quality traffic to your site. Well, your number of active users is gonna increase, but your revenue is not gonna change. You're not selling anything. So you cheated those other metrics. But if you want to actually increase ARPU, you will have to increase the average order value of each visitor. And you can get even deeper. For example, you can put revenue per user in the last 3 weeks in the USA that came from AdWords campaigns. All right, so let's click on that and look. So each visitor that came from Google AdWords campaign that I'm running generated $2.77. So it's pretty good to know this stuff. Every visitor that comes to your store is an opportunity. And here is how you can increase your revenue per user. Starting with technique number 1. Offer free shipping always, at least nationally. And if you can make it seem time constrained, even better. As you can see here on the top of every single page of my website, I have the banner that says free shipping week. For someone that has never been on my website, they would think that only for this week they will get free shipping. But shipping is so expensive, I'm gonna lose a lot of money. No, because you're going to aggregate the cost of the shipping to the cost of your product. And this is going to increase the perceived value of your products. For example, if I show you these 2 products, which one do you think has better quality and which one would you purchase? If you chose product A, congratulations, you're part of the very small minority of people that don't like good deals. Speaking about deals, consider having an Evergreen discount on your website by inflating your MSRP. For example, here, I have this product that I want to sell for $20, but I'm increasing it to $25 because of the shipping. And I'm also saying that the product costs $30. So every visitor that sees this will be like, wow, it was $30, such a good product, and it's only $25 now, and I get free shipping if I just buy it today. That's a good deal. I better pull the trigger on this. Now that your visitors know the value of your product, it's time to let them know that this is not too good to be true. It is true. By showing them technique number 3, collect reviews for your products and show them on the product page. As you can see here, I have 11 reviews on this product. And if you scroll down, you can see the reviews right here. Now, if you have reviews with photos, even better. I just like the minimalistic look for this website that I have right here going on. But this brings us to technique number 4, show UGC content. I recommend that you add on every page of your website right here at the bottom some user-generated content. You know, real people using your products. And even better, you can put on every product page, you know, just some pictures of people using your products. You can have them on the reviews, you know, I just have them here. I just think it looks nicer for this specific website, but yours might be different. Oh man, this visitor is getting hot. He likes the product, he likes the value, and he's convinced that real people are using it and recommending it. But he still plays hard to get. So we're gonna use technique number 5. offer an immediate discount if they sign up to your newsletter. This is gonna bring them an opportunity to get even a better discount, and you're getting their email in return. So if they don't buy, you can retarget them. At the bottom of every single one of my pages, I have this banner that gives them the opportunity to get the discount. Now, I also have a pop-up that appears after 1 minute of the visitor browsing the site that gives them the opportunity of get the 10% off. But the most important thing here is that once they put the email, you instantly send them an email with the coupon code, so it doesn't get cold. The customer is hot. Let's give them the discount so he finalizes the purchase. If you don't know how to send an instant email when somebody signs up for your newsletter, watch this video where I show you how to do exactly that with Shopify automations with no plugins and completely free. And by the way, if you're liking this video so far, please give me a like, maybe even a subscribe. I'm new here on YouTube, so it will really mean the world to me. And anyways, so the customer is ready to purchase, right? But there is still one more technique that we can do to increase our average revenue per user. And let's check it out. Technique number 7. So the customer is ready to check out. So he goes to your cart and clicks on checkout. He's ready to press the pay now button. He already has his credit card information in. He clicks on pay, and what happens? Congratulations, you just got a sale. And yeah, good, you made $53. But check this out, I'm offering him a special time-constrained super deal where they can get the shirts for only $16. And they can add one right there, Oh wow, I didn't see that one, but I like it. They choose the size, they click on add it, and congratulations. Since you already have their credit card information, you can just upsell them another product that they weren't even gonna buy in the first place. You can also have something here, something that you can combine. For example, I'm offering them some shorts here. On this one, I don't have any discounts, but they can just add another short. And since the customer already has your trust, it is so much easier to upsell them something after they check out. But how can you personalize the checkout? Well, for this, you're gonna need an app, but it's so good that I need to recommend it. Check this out. The app is called Reconvert, Upsell, and Cross-Sell, and you can find it on the App Store. And let me show you how you can do what I did. Once you install the app, you're greeted with the super cool dashboard where it says, your ROI, your average order value increase. Super important because that's the whole objective of this, and also the conversion rate. Now, you can do a lot of stuff with this app. You can cross-sell, upsell on different sections of your website, but I'm gonna focus on the thank you page. So let's go to thank you page, and you can have different thank you pages for each visitor, depending on what products they purchase and other factors. You can just customize the funnels. But here, for example, I have one checkout for the people that purchase from the category sweat activated men. The app detected that there were some sweat activated shirts for men that the customer buy. So I'm recommending them, don't wear the same clothes to the gym every day. Add one of these for 40% off. Yeah, they cannot miss this deal. I also offer them the shorts, for getting something, and then here's the shorts. Because, if you're getting shirts, you might as well get shorts. But look how easy it is to customize this stuff. So you just go to product options, and here I added the shorts. But in case that they already bought the shorts, it's gonna recommend them some pants. Now, here, for example, you just click on that, go to product options, and you can just customize there what categories, and this app is so powerful. Man, I'm super glad that I discovered it. I really recommend it. I'm actually gonna leave a link to the app on the description. It's gonna be an affiliate link, so hey, I'll get a kickback. Appreciate if you use it, and you also get a discount by using that link. So hey, everybody wins. If you use all of these techniques that I showed you on this video, I guarantee that your ARPU is going to increase. And once your website is ready and optimized for conversions, upsells, cross-sells, then you can focus on increasing your website traffic, because increased website traffic plus increased average revenue per user is equal to money. Now watch these other videos because they are about e-commerce, and I know you like that stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm out.